We finished a room.
Woo! Look at this. Got all this vapor barrier.
The stuff is pretty easy to put on.
Very
It does
easy.
have a weird smell to it. It's like almost like sweet.
Mm-hmm. Still got to tape it, but yeah, done this
right.
room. Woo! Got all the vapor barrier out. So now we just got to tape it and glue it. You have to glue the bottom to the floor. And I already started a little bit of taping over here, taping all the seams together. Elise is working on the sound insulation. And yeah, very exciting. All right, so we got a good amount of taping done. This wall here, there's a little opening there because there's gonna be a little access panel there, so that that junction box isn't hidden in the wall anymore. Yeah, so we did all this. Got all that sealing, so I'm just stopping for the day, but still got this to do. Got to cut closer around the window and tape around that. Also got a lot of the sound insulation installed. It's pretty great. And one thing that we're gonna do too, I think, is I was trying to think of like how can we secure this vapor barrier to the ceiling, because it's not like the joists and stuff aren't exposed. We're just gonna like use resilient channel and drywall over this stucco or this plaster and lath, and like that ceiling over there is perfectly good drywall. I think what we're gonna do, because we also have this this glue that they sell with this vapor barrier to secure it to the floor. If I get close, you can see that green line is the bead of glue. I'm thinking what we might be able to do is actually use that glue up there. Just cut the vapor barrier back a little bit and use the glue to secure it. So that might be how we solve that problem. And yeah, getting very close. Gonna have to order the drywall.